Hello, Namo Namaha. Welcome to my channel Sanskrit in English. So, before we proceed, I would suggest you all to watch the previous videos because we are going step by step. If you don't understand the main concept, you won't understand upcoming lessons. You will find link to those videos in the description box. So watch them. Let's take a step ahead. Since Ganesh festival is going on, we already have welcomed Bappa. Let us pray for well-being of everyone. Vakratunda Mahakaya Suryakoti Samaprabha Nirvignam Kuru Me Deva Sarvakaryeshu Sarvada. Today's our topic is Ke Kurvanti. Lesson number 3, page number 8. In all our previous lessons, I taught you about singular nouns and pronouns and also verbs. Today I am going to teach you about plural forms of nouns, pronouns and verbs. Refer second lesson Kah Ka Kim part 1 to understand better. Ke kurvanti, who do or who are doing. We know about ekavachan and bahuvachan, singular and plural. But in Sanskrit, more than two persons or things are considered plurals, bahuvachan. There is one more form of vachan, dvivachan, where two persons or two objects are referred and we use dvivachan. That we will learn in lesson number 4. Ete athva te. Ete means these. Te means those or they. Ete chhatraha. Ete pathanti. Ke pathanti. Ete chhatraha pathanti. Ete chhatraha means these are students. Ete means these for masculine gender. Chhatraha means students. Ete pathanti. These are reading. Pathanti means reading. Bahuvachan pathati. Bahuvachan is pathanti. Singular is pathati. Ke pathanti. Who are reading? Ke means who for masculine gender and bahuvachan plural form. Ete chhatraha pathanti. These students are reading. To show from a distance we use te. Te ashvaha te dhavanti. Ke dhavanti te ashvaha dhavanti. Te. Te means those or they for masculine gender plural form. Te ashvaha. Those are horses. Te dhavanti. They are running. Ke dhavanti. Who are running? Te ashvaha dhavanti. Those horses are running. Ashvaha is a plural of ashvaha. Te is plural of saha. So te means those. Ashvaha means horses. Te dhavanti. They are running. Dhavanti is a plural of dhavati. And that means are running. Plural form. Ke dhavanti. Ke is a plural form of kah. Masculine gender plural form ke. Who are running? Te ashvaha dhavanti. Those horses are running. Points to remember. Eshaha is a pullinga ekavachana sarvanam, meaning this. It is masculine singular pronoun. एते. एते is a plural form of एषः. It is pullinga bahuvachana sarvanam meaning these. Masculine plural pronoun. सह. सह is a pullinga ekavachana sarvanam meaning is he or that. That means masculine singular pronoun. Te. Te is plural form of sah. It is pullinga bahuvachana sarvanam meaning is those or they. Masculine plural pronoun. कह. कह is a pullinga ekavachana prashnarthak sarvanam meaning who or what. Masculine singular interrogative pronoun. Ke. Ke is plural of kah. So it is pullinga bahuvachana prashnarthak sarvanam meaning who. Masculine plural interrogative pronoun. So ekavachana pullinga bahuvachana pullinga sarvanama. एषः एकवचन, then its बहुवचन is एते. सः is एकवचन पुल्लिंग, बहुवचन is ते पुल्लिंग. कः is एकवचन पुल्लिंग, के is बहुवचन पुल्लिंग सर्वनाम, प्रश्नार्थक सर्वनाम. नेक्स्ट, छात्राः लिखन्ति. See, more than 2 students are there, so students are writing. छात्राः लिखन्ति. पे अटेंशन. छात्रः एकवचन, छात्राः बहुवचन, लिखति एकवचन, लिखन्ति बहुवचन. पुरुषाः उपविशन्ति. मेन आर सिटिंग. शकटाः गच्छन्ति. शकटाः मीन्स कार्ड्स. कार्ड्स आर गोइंग. बालकाः पश्यन्ति. चिल्ड्रन आर वाचिंग. चिल्ड्रन आर वाचिंग. कृतिः. सम वर्ड्स आर गिवन हियर एंड एतैः शब्दैः सह छात्राः परिचितक्रियापदानि योजयित्वा बहुवचनवाक्यानि वदन्ति. Means students make sentences by joining familiar verbs with the subjects. Now see, we learnt about akaranta pullinga words with visarga, but here they have not given any visarga here because they are moola roopam and they are not used in sentences. So first make it singular, then plural, and then use verbs which you are familiar with. See, in first column ekavachana pullinga shabdaha. In second column bahuvachana pullinga shabdaha. In third column meaning is given and kriyapadani bahuvachana kriyapadani. Shikshakah plural becomes shikshakaha meaning teachers. वैद्यः बहुवचन becomes वैद्याः meaning doctors. चित्रकारः बहुवचन is चित्रकाराः meaning painters. गायकः बहुवचन गायकाः meaning singers. सैनिकः बहुवचन becomes सैनिकाः meaning soldiers. याचकः बहुवचन becomes याचकाः meaning beggars. वृद्धः बहुवचन वृद्धाः meaning old men. पुरुषः बहुवचन becomes पुरुषाः meaning men. बालकः बहुवचन बालकाः meaning children. सिंहः, बहुवचन becomes सिंहाः, meanings lions. रक्षकः, बहुवचन becomes रक्षकाः, meaning guards or protectors. Now क्रियापदानि, बहुवचन क्रियापदानि. We already know meanings of these verbs: लिखति, गच्छति, पिबति, खागति, etc. They were singular form. Now these are plural forms of those verbs. लिखन्ति, गच्छन्ति, पिबन्ति, खादन्ति, आगच्छन्ति, तिष्ठन्ति, उपविशन्ति, गायन्ति, हसन्ति, गर्जन्ति, नमन्ति, कथयन्ति, उत्तिष्ठन्ति, पश्यन्ति, भ्रमन्ति, पठन्ति, धावन्ति, खेलन्ति, वदन्ति, etc. Let's make sentences. शिक्षकाः लिखन्ति, शिक्षकाः गच्छन्ति, शिक्षकाः आगच्छन्ति. This way. Then वैद्याः, वैद्याः आगच्छन्ति, वैद्याः तिष्ठन्ति, वैद्याः उपविशन्ति, etc. चित्रकाराः लिखन्ति, चित्रकाराः हसन्ति, चित्रकाराः पिबन्ति, etc. गायकाः गायन्ति, गायकाः हसन्ति, गायकाः आगच्छन्ति, सैनिकाः उत्तिष्ठन्ति, सैनिकाः पश्यन्ति, सैनिकाः धावन्ति, etc. याचकाः आगच्छन्ति, याचकाः तिष्ठन्ति, याचकाः खादन्ति, etc. वृद्धाः उपविशन्ति, वृद्धाः हसन्ति, वृद्धाः कथयन्ति, etc. पुरुषाः भ्रमन्ति, पुरुषाः पश्यन्ति, पुरुषाः पठन्ति, etc. बालकाः धावन्ति, बालकाः भ्रमन्ति, बालकाः खेलन्ति, बालकाः नमन्ति, बालकाः हसन्ति, etc. सिंहाः गर्जन्ति, सिंहाः भ्रमन्ति, सिंहाः उत्तिष्ठन्ति, रक्षकाः पश्यन्ति, रक्षकाः वदन्ति, रक्षकाः कथयन्ति, etc. So for plural verbs, nti is in the ending. Please like, share and subscribe my channel Sanskrit in English. Namo Namah. Punah Milamah.